In this tutorial, I will tell you how to allow anonymous users to register to our website. Now, here we have the main page of our website. We would like to have some option for adding the users on our system. So we will go to the structure, block layout, and in the secondary menu, we will put a block, and that is the user account menu. I put the user account menu and I don't need to display the title. Let me save the block. Save block. When I come back to the content, I get this information, my account and log out. Since I'm logged to this, I already log in, so it is giving me log out. So when I click on the log out, this is how the page will look like to the anonymous users. So when he clicks on the login page, he will either enter his username and password, and if he is not registered, he will click on the create user account. So over here he can give an email, for example, heatherkhalil@yahoo.com, and username you can give it any name, for example Heather. You can select a picture, and contact settings, allow the users, uh, just leave it, create new account. Now, thank you for applying for the account is currently pending approval. Now, when this email is sent, this is sent, it will send an email to the administrator. So if you are the administrator, you will receive an email, and you have to allow these users to be a valid user for this system. Now let me log into the system as administrator. I will log in as administrator with my username and password. Now if I go to the people now and I see the list, let me change it. And if I see the list, I will see that the user Heather has been added, but the status is blocked. So if I go to the edit, now the administrator will allow these users and make it as active. Once he is active, you can save it, and the status will be changed. Now an email will be sent to the user that he is active now, and he can then log into the system. So this is how a user is registered to our system. Now once the user is registered and he logs into the system, we need a mechanism to allow him to add properties. So we need an option over here. For example, this menu will not be accessible to the authenticated user since this is an admin dashboard, and we add the content by clicking on the add content and then on the add property. So this is the URL that is used for adding a property. What we will do is that we will add a menu to have this link in the menu option where the user can add the property. So let's go to the main website. We will go to the structure and then menus, and we will have an add menu. We can give it any title, for example, add a new property. Save it. and we can have add a link, and the link will be add new, or we can say add new property. And over here we will have the link as /node/add/property. We can write in the description add new property to the website, and we will click on save. Now once we have created this menu, we need to put it in some block. So we will go to the block layout, and in the block layout we can put it in the let me put it in the sidebar. You can put it anywhere, but I will put it in the sidebar. Here it is, add new property, place block, and I don't want to display the title, so I will uncheck this, and then I will say save block, and save block, and then back to the site. So we have this option over here for the users. So when he clicks on the on this, the new property will be added by the registered users. There is one other thing, let me tell it that we don't want to show this to all the users. So let's go to the configure block, and we will have the role over here that it is only available to the authenticated users, and anonymous users should not see it. Authenticated users, the content writer or the administrator. So we will have save the block, and that's it. So this is how you can add users and allow users to add properties to the real estate website. And with this, I think we have finished what we have planned to do. We have now a real estate website with properties available online, in where the users can be added, the new users can register themselves, and they can add the properties. So thank you very much. Thank you for attending the course. I will also add some other things in few other videos. So please stay connected. Thank you very much.